Brahmananda Kasi is a spiritual leader. He has done wonders with his vibration. Healing. He does blessings. He has cured many diseases. 2019 he had sent image to Mr. Joe Kasi. He is admin of World Healing Center. World Healing Center has recognized that his vibration scale was around 28,000 to 37,000 according to image, but as per World Healing Center vibration scale of normal human will be around 500 to 1000. As on now his vibration scale.
Hello. Hi. I am Sri Brahmananda Akash. Today I want to tell about through the people of the world to help the people regarding the corona. Since from some 80 years I strongly recommended, promoted, advised to so many non-vegetarians to go for vegetarians as per the law of karma. Approximately, I converted throughout the world more than 1,000 people from non-vegetarianism to vegetarianism. Regarding corona also, I had followed the example of the Buddha, and I thought through my divine spirit there is some clues regarding the corona is very badly affecting for the non-vegetarians. I want to tell from the beginning regarding about the vegetarianism. In Sanatana Dharma, throughout the world, all the people were following vegetarianism only. Later, Sanatana Dharma is called as Hinduism. 5,018 years back, Kali Yuga is started. That is in the year of 3102 BCE, the Kali Yuga started as per Surya Siddhanta. Once Kali Yuga started, the upper community, forwarded community, influenced people, they misguided the lower community people by introducing 33 crores of God, especially Kali, Mahakali, Bhadrakali, Chamdeshwari, what may be, the Shakti gods. They are their gods. They resort those gods to the lower community people, and those gods eat non-vegetarian food. So you to follow those non-vegetarian food. Like that, they misguided them and they followed non-vegetarianism. What I think spiritual, what I want to say. Because of that, the viral diseases started. Corona, like other viral viruses, are very friendly viruses, and they stay in the animal body, living animal body. That virus which are friendly with the animal body, that is not comfortable in human body. When we start eating the non-vegetarian food, that viruses, when they enter in our body, the fat contents, fat of the non-veg meat, which is accumulated in our body, is attracted by the coronavirus. Because that is living virus, and moreover, they have feelings. They like that meat fat. I had this, not completely I am not aware of this, but I had something is there, we are getting the corona disease because of the non-vegetarian food. I sent a mail to World Health Organization by sending my so many videos along with giving the example of the Bhutan government where they prohibited the killing of animals, fishes and birds. But it is not affected by the corona. The Bhutan government is the only, I think, the one of the country which is not affected by the corona, and Bhutan is a very happy country. Even in cold season also corona is not affected, and it is closely shared the border with China. That is most important. So taking the example of that, I sent the mail. Probably the World Health Organization, they researched in this subject and they found this information that corona, the non-vegetarians meat fat attracts the coronavirus, and once it enters the body, it stays there and spread there, and the human being will collapse. He will die because of the corona, and he will suffer because of the corona. Regarding that, Dr. Gauran Gala, who is a World Health Organization representative and a director of Division of Non-Communicable Diseases, he has made a video in YouTube. It has become a viral also. 2 months back, yes, approximately in the month of May 5th, 2020, he made a video, I think so. So what I advise to the entire people of the world, please follow me. Follow the Nirakara, that is formless God. To reach enlightenment, I am telling these guidelines. To follow the formless God, Nirakara. Be vegetarian. Because vegetarianism is one of the factors as per the law of karma. And follow the law of karma. So if you follow these things, you will be happy. You will be out of danger of viral disease which may attack through animals, and it helps to reach the enlightenment also. This is my sincere advice to the people of entire world. Thank you.
So I'm still on medication, but ever since Swamiji asked me to turn to vegetarianism, I agreed and trusted him on the spot. It's now about 6 weeks now that I'm fully vegetarian. I can tell you that the results have been very, very positive, except for maybe a handful of nights